So before we actually start using the Excel PowerPivot add-in, the first thing that we have to do is activate this add-in so we can access the PowerPivot tool. And I also want to point out for the rest of this section, we are going to be working inside a new Excel workbook. So if you haven't done so, you can go ahead and open up a new workbook. But make sure you save the current progress we have made in the other Excel practice file, because we will be returning to that practice file when we get to other sections of the course. So what we have to do is come up to the File tab, and then click Options at the bottom of your screen, and then we can select Add-ins. And down here in this Manage box, we can select this drop-down, and then we need to click on COM Add-ins. And then if we click Go, we can check the box labeled Microsoft PowerPivot for Excel. And then we can click OK. Now if you notice, we have a new tab in our ribbon labeled PowerPivot. And if we give this a click, now we have access to different PowerPivot tools. So now that we have the PowerPivot add-in activated, we are ready to start creating our first data model and create relationships between our data tables.